let's do distance formula. Now, fun fact, this formula is on your reference sheet, so when you take your EOCs or tests, whatever, it's on there. So if you forget it, it's fine. I would still suggest memorizing it, and it's so fun. You ready? D equals a really big square root. And then we're going to put x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Doesn't that look so fun?
Yeah, we did this.
I know.
We had this formula.
You had a similar, yes. Okay. But you're going to use it for different things this year. Yay! Okay. All right. So in number 1, it's called subscript because you have 2 different ordered pairs. So in question number 1, Teddy, you have hands and feet. Okay. Number 1, they give you a graph, right? Did they tell you the ordered pairs? No. Could you find the ordered pairs for the ends of your line here?
Possibly.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. We'll use your eyeballs and look. What is this point? How far left? How far up?
3.
-5 what?
3.
-5, positive 3. Good. All right. Now I need one on the bottom. What's that one? Nope.
Negative 2.
There you go. Remember, you go up. You go left, right, then up, down. All right. All right. Now, question. Does the distance change if I go from top to bottom or bottom to top?
No.
You're telling me you will walk a different distance if I go from down or up? No. The distance will be the exact same, correct?
Correct.
Okay. So, does it matter which one I put as x1, y1 and x2, y2 then?
No.
No. Because again, the distance will be the exact same if I go from the bottom to the top or the top to the bottom. Right?
This is why we need calculator.
Yeah, this is why I need a calculator. Okay?
I'm a genius.
Sometimes. Okay? Alright, so let's write our formula. I'm going to write it again just to help you remember it. The more you write it, the more you'll remember it. And then we're going to fill in numbers. Yay! Alright. Can someone tell me what do they want to put for x2? Again, either one's correct. Doesn't matter. -2. Okay, and then what would be the other x value? So I'm going to put -2 minus -5 squared. Now I need the y's. What would I put for the first y? Yeah. So you look at what x did you start with. If I started with -2 for the x, then I have to start with, there you go. So I want -3 minus, and I want all of that squared. Yep. All right. So let's break it down, make it easier. What happens when you subtract a negative? It makes it a positive. So what's negative? No, please don't. What's -2 plus 5? 3. What's 3 squared? 9. All right, same thing. What's -3 minus 3? What? No, Layla. -6. What's -6 squared?
36.
No.
Positive 36.
Positive 36. What's 9 plus 36?
Some unknown number that we have not
45.
45. Okay, now that's kind of it. Okay, 98% of the time, that's where you can stop with the question. Okay, sometimes it's gonna ask you to find the decimal for like what the actual distance is, like, and they're gonna ask you to round it. Today we're not doing that. Okay, I just want the square root. That's fine. But I am gonna be extra because I know Miss Drexler taught you how to simplify a square root. So, nope, She taught my one, so I know she taught you. All right, what is 45? What makes 45?
3 and 15.
It had to be the weird one. All right, 3 and 15. All right, what makes 15?
3 and 5.
3 and 5. Okay, does anything make 5? Does anything make 3s?
No.
Okay, so what do you do next?
You write
You don't put them all under the square root.
all of the
Put the 5 in.
the ones that are, I forgot, the prime.
They're all prime. I'm gonna circle the 3s. I'm gonna circle the 3s because I had 2 of them. Jojo. You're going to circle the 3s because you had 2 of them. Remember, your goal is to have groups of 2. Does the 5 have a buddy?
No.
No. So because he doesn't have a buddy, does he go inside the square root or outside? No, the 5. Inside. If you don't have a buddy, you have to stay inside the house. If you have a buddy, you get to go outside of the house. Okay? So you should get 3 square root 5. Okay? That's what you should get. So, we did. 15 was broken down into 5 and 3. Same thing with 45. It was broken down into 15 and 3. Okay?
Calculator.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine says it's
What?